Hello everyone, my name is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and we are going to make a lemon poppy cake today. That's only 2 net carbs, okay? So the first thing you do is you use this Baker's Basic Cake Mix. You put it in a cereal bowl. You do what the directions say on the back. You add the 1 egg and the 2 tablespoons heavy whipping cream. And now to turn it into a lemon poppy cake, you're gonna squeeze half of a lemon into the cake. I like to do it like this and then pour it in because that way you don't get any of the seeds. And you put a tablespoon of poppy seeds in here. We're gonna mix this and microwave it 90 seconds. And we will be right back. Okay guys, so I just microwaved this for a couple minutes. And this is how it turned out. So now we're gonna release it. Ooh, did you see how hot that is? I'm sorry. I broke it because it was too hot for me. So now we're gonna make the frosting. So all I do for the frosting is I already have my cream cheese frosting made and in the fridge. I'm gonna put some in here. I'm gonna squeeze about 1/4 of a lemon in the frosting. Again, be careful of the seeds. You can just, use a little bit left over of the other lemon juice that you squeezed. So I'm mixing this and I am going to pour this all over. And I have a delicious, delicious lemon poppy cake. Sorry it looks a little bit messy, but it is so good. We made this earlier and it was an absolute hit for all the customers. And remember guys, this whole cake is not just a meal replacement. It's not just 2 net carbs, but instead it tastes like you're eating a lemon poppy muffin, but instead you're eating organic coconut flour, flaxseed, nutritional yeast, sunflower lecithin, pink salt. I make my own sweetener with erythritol, monk fruit, stevia, and I can go on and on and on. That's why this is keto on steroids. That's why this helps make you lose weight fast, guys. Okay, there's nothing like this on the market. We'd love for you to come visit us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. We join us on our Healthy Treats Market Facebook page. Join our Healthy Treats Market support group. If you go on YouTube, you can see all our videos at a glance if you subscribe to our Healthy Treats Market YouTube channel. And if you don't live nearby, visit HealthyTreatsMarket.com. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.